We are looking for somewhere to go eat. Whoa. Look at this little place. Good place. Maybe. Chicken? Chicken pig. Chicken pig beef. Keep going? Maybe. Might come back. Ah. Maybe. Maybe. Here they come. Yeah. Hey. Is this Piss Alley? Is it? Oh, we're in Piss Alley. See, navigation. He's told me where we are. Ah. Well, I guess we'll make our way to the end and then go back up towards the top where they were friendly and talking to us. Yeah. Oh, look in here. Very popular. Smoky. Ah, head chef. I think the ones at the top that were trying to encourage us to come in were the best ones to go try. Don't you think?
These two more.
No, the ones. Maybe. Ah, no photo. No photo. I think it's because you've got to go upstairs, maybe. Do we want to have a look? Go on. Okay, have a look. We'll go see. We might not be allowed in. Let's have a look. It's very quiet. Let's have a look. There's people here. Ooh. Four. Thank you. Camera okay? Konnichiwa. It's kind of cool, isn't it? It's a little bit different. Little beverages menu. So we'll skip through that section. Oh, thank you, Michelle. Thank you. Look at those ones. Oh, Michelle's doing hand pulling. We may have run into a small problem. I am the #1 expert at not using chopsticks. From the hour there.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Got my beer. The beer's got a lot of head on it. That's all right. Fairly mild. Japan's #1 expert on not how to use chopstick. I can pick it up. Is there, what sauces are these?
Vinegar, chili oil.
Chili oil. We'll go chili oil. How do you? Oh, it is chili oil. Oop. I don't know if this is hot or not. There's no way this is going to make it in my mouth. It's quite nice, and like I did say, I'm really good at chopsticks. I'm never going to pick this up. Not good at this. I've got rice. I think the old rice is more of a shovel action. Oh, I got some. I'm not going to eat any more rice because I can't pick it up. I now have noodles preloaded on my chopsticks, almost, because there's just no way. I don't know how I'm going to get this in my mouth. Seriously. I'm so sorry. Nice, but messy eater. This is just so hard. I'm going to do what I'm good at. It's like a bunch of idiots trying to eat. I don't know why we didn't ask for a knife and fork. Maybe we should ask for, like, I mean, there's my rice.
It's funny, isn't it? Like, we said this is what we want to do.
How? How do you pick the rice up? Hang on. Oh, what? I do, but I've just never got. Really good if you want to be on a diet. Let me see that. I got it. Really nice. Kind of a nice little place, good atmosphere. And as you saw, no one was in here when we got here. Well, it was one or two, now it's full. Good place. I've worked this out now, look. And I am not putting that in my mouth on camera. That is so bad. Not the food, just my eating stuff. The food is brilliant, it's really nice. Forget it. There's no way. I just can't use chopsticks. Look at that. New chopsticks. Oh. Yeah, that's probably a better place for it. Man, this is so hard. I know for you who can use chopsticks, but have you seen how white I am? I couldn't get any whiter. That looks good. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. I was cutting the top of my bald head off, so I'll get it back in the picture. So Michelle and I always get up to pay the bill, and we are again.
Watch out. Thank you.
5,200. 10,000.
Thank you.
See how much it was?
5,200 from 10,000.
200. 5,200.
See, 5,200. Yeah. Casio calculator. No worries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Well, I recommend that. That was good. It was what, about 50,000? What's that in Aussie dollars, you reckon? 45 bucks. We got a few drinks, some food. Where do you go to eat for $45 for 4 people with beer? Yeah, I know, 2 beefs. It's ridiculous.
Your receipt.
Yeah, sure. Yes, I do. No one's going to believe it was that cheap. Lansons. Very good. No toilet break for me, mate. Hey, cheers. It's gotten busy down here. Yeah, a little bit. Hey, look what I found. Toilets. Sony A7. Nice camera. Whoop. Hey, konnichiwa.